So a lot of people are asking me this. How are you balancing the Canon R5 Mark II with the RF2470 on the DJI RS4 Mini? And honestly, I understand why. Because this setup is big, it's heavy, and yes, if you balance it wrong, the EVF or visor will hit the back of motor immediately. But today, I'll show you how exactly I balance this setup step by step, and how I avoid the visor hitting the motor, and how I make it motor actually works on the DJI RS4 Mini. So if you own this setup, this video will save you a lot of frustration. Now, let's start with the tilt axis. First, unlock only the tilt axis. Then, slowly move the camera forward or backward until it stays still at the angle. If the camera falls forward, move it backward slightly. If it's backward, move it forward. Take your time here because this is the most important setup in the heavy like this. If you are into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests and filmmaking tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe because I upload a new photography and filmmaking content every week. So here's my exact setup: the Canon R5 Mark II, Canon RF2470, and the RS4 Mini. I am also using the DJI plate. This part is very important. Don't mount the camera too far backward. Instead, I push the camera slightly forward while still maintaining proper balance. This gives more clearance between the EVF and the real motor. Next is the roll axis. Loosen the roll arm and slowly adjust left and right. What you want is for the camera to stay level without tilting. Micro adjustments are very important. Even in the tiny adjustment can completely change the balance. Now, for the pan axis, hold the gimbal slightly tilted. If the gimbal swings left or right aggressively, your pan axis is not balanced. Adjust slowly until movement becomes smooth and controlled. Now, this is the part most people skip. After balancing all the axes, that every movement, tilt up, tilt down, portrait mode, under viewing mode, low angle mode, check if the EVF or visor touches the motor at any point. For my setup, I keep a small clearance gap right here. That's the key. If it touches even slightly, rebalance again. But you need a proper clearance and proper balancing. Don't force the gimbal. If your rear motor stress or vibration, stop immediately and rebalance. And honestly, I'm surprised the RS4 Mini can still handle this setup. And as you can see, stabilization is still very smooth, even with the heavier R5 Mark II setup. So overall, yes, the Canon R5 Mark II with the RF2470 can work on the DJI RS4 Mini. But the balancing is very important. The biggest secret is proper tilt balancing, enough EVF clearance, and tilting all position before shooting. If you skip these steps, the camera will hit the motor. I hope this video helps you guys because honestly, a lot of people were asking me about this setup. If you want more real-world balancing tutorials, camera tests, and filmmaking content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next vlog.